need to redo their water tower. Hampton Bulldogs. Oh, there it is. I'll stop there on the way back.
We got time.
Yeah. They're always packed.
They're not open.
I love their old western little buildings over here. Bet that old general store's old as crap.
Hotel. I'll start there.
Yeah, we pass that every time. Christmas tree country. Yeah.
Cranberry bingo.
Done quite a bit of stumps at this place. Look at all that grass growing. There were stumps all the way down through here. It's a beautiful golf course. I love their golf course.
They about got it. Grass growing over all of it.
Yeah. Here in Newland, North Carolina. Vintage Ingalls sign. It's a newer Ingalls, but the sign's pretty old. Waterfall that's over there. That's that little tiny baby town home.
The hot place. The other porch on the way, but it's okay.
Yeah, they redone the Coke sign.
Oh, it
for
looks
my
good.
son. I got it spiffy.
That looks so good. That was like 2008.
That's a great little place to stay. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. I always want to visit this place. Pretty neat little campground up here on the mountain. Yeah, I knew they had another one. That's the Horseshoe Bend campground. They got a neat little swimming area too. Well, we're almost to the destination after climbing down another mountain. Another right. We finally made it back to civilization. We're in Lenoir, North Carolina.
Yeah, it does. 9:04. Yeah, I was off.
Yeah.
No, I should have wore sandals.
Pulled at the pull off, let the Jeep kind of cool. The mountain took it out of it. Started Getting a little smoky on me. At least we got a nice view to look at. We've made it back into Tennessee, so now it's hiccup free so far. I just gotta figure out some of the bugs in this thing. She's an old girl, so yeah, it's the usual with these XJ square bodies. Well, she made it home back in Bristol, and here's the inside of this thing. Usual rips on the driver's seat, but the rest of her is actually in pretty decent shape. She's pretty mint. I've never seen one with a sunroof, an XJ. That was a factory option, so that's the first one I've had, and I've had about 15-20 of these things. But she's pretty mint. All the windows roll up and down. I like it. I hope y'all enjoyed the short clip of me and my lady traveling to North Carolina to grab this Jeep. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.